Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I have been planning to start this video series for a long time. Recently, while working on my own remote sensing projects, I realized that building web dashboards can save a lot of time and effort. In this series, we will learn how to build professional WebGIS applications using Google Earth Engine and Google Cloud Platform. Whether you are a student, researcher, or GIS professional, if you work in the geospatial sector, this series will help you build your own custom dashboards for any application. Here I have a sample dashboard, remote sensing and climate tech dashboard that I have developed. In this I can upload a region of interest, select a time period and run the analysis. The system generates landscape composite images along with NDVI and NDWI maps. It also calculates mean NDVI, mean NDWI, water area and displays 5-year trend graphs. All this data can be downloaded as a CSV file. This dashboard can be used for flood analysis, crop monitoring, drought assessment and climate studies. In this series, I will show you how to build your own custom dashboards just like this one. Now let me explain the difference between normal Earth Engine applications and production level web applications. Normal Google Earth Engine apps are easy to build and completely free. They are excellent for learning, academic projects and small-scale analysis. However, they have limitations when many users try to access them at the same time. Customization is limited and long-term deployment is not always reliable. When we combine Earth Engine with Google Cloud, we can build professional and scalable dashboards. Earth Engine handles satellite data processing, while Google Cloud manages the web server, deployment, security, and user access. This allows many users to access the system at the same time and makes the application suitable for institutional and commercial projects. Now let's talk about an important topic, billing and cost management. Google Cloud provides free trial credits for new users, which are more than enough to build, test, and deploy your first few dashboards. Even after the trial, for small-scale research or demo apps like this, the monthly costs are typically low. However, it is vital to manage your resources properly. In this series, I will also teach you how to set up budget alerts, monitor your usage, and control quotas. This ensures you can develop your projects confidently without worrying about unexpected charges. In the next video, we will start from the basics, setting up Google Earth Engine and Google Cloud step by step from account creation to your first working project. In this series, we will move forward from simple Earth Engine scripts to full interactive dashboard and finally to secure cloud deployment using modern tools. A quick note, we are using the non-commercial Earth Engine quota for these projects. It's perfect for the learning and research we are doing here. So stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy mapping.